In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix too many requests on the Microsoft Word app. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is how I fixed it. I firstly closed the Microsoft Word app and instead I just actually went into the Settings app instead. So now in my Settings app, I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on General. So click on General and you should now be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, just scroll down and click on Storage in here. Now on this page, you're just going to simply swipe up until you can see the search bar up top. So click on Search, search for Word. Don't search for Microsoft Word, by the way, you're not going to find it, just search for Word and you can see the first app here. So just click on it, then click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds now for it to load, so we're just going to wait a little bit and then click on the Reinstall App button. So now you just simply have to wait for your Microsoft Word app here to completely update to its latest version. So when it's done, you're going to go back into the app and try once again. And hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.